Good morning, dear students. I am Professor Bankar DB, Department of Chemistry, RBNB College, Srampur. In previous lecture, we have saw the synthesis of R and S epichlorohydrin as well as synthesis of L-alanine by using the concept of Chiron approach. So in this lecture, we will see the synthesis of multi-striatin molecule using concept of Chiron approach. So this is structure of multi-striatin molecule. This molecule consists of two methyl groups, one ethyl group. There is presence of one 6-membered ring with oxygen atom, and also there is presence of one 5-membered ring with 2 oxygen atoms. So this is structure of multi-striatin molecule. So we will begin the synthesis of this multi-striatin molecule using concept of Chiron approach. So synthesis of multi-striatin molecule start with the D-glucose molecule. This is structure of D-glucose molecule in cyclic form. In first step, this D-glucose molecule is allowed to react with methanol in presence of HCl. So there is methylation of this OH into OMe takes place. So that OH present at this carbon atom adjacent to the oxygen undergo reaction with methanol in presence of HCl, and there is formation of OMe, that is ether formation. In next step, we use benzaldehyde in presence of H plus acid. So this benzaldehyde undergo reaction with a diol. So this CH2OH and this OH are close in proximity. Therefore, this 2 OH undergo protection using benzaldehyde in presence of H plus. So there is formation of this type of acetal using benzaldehyde, and there is corresponding this OH. In next step, we use tosyl chloride in presence of pyridine. So this tosyl chloride make that OH as a good leaving group. Initially this OH is bad leaving group, but after reaction with TsCl in presence of pyridine, there is formation of OTS group, and that OTS group is good leaving group. Look at this step. Here we use sodium methoxide in presence of methanol. So this sodium methoxide act as a base. It abstract this proton. There is formation of O minus, and that O minus attack at this position. So this OTS is good leaving group. Therefore it can be easily undergo removal, and there is formation of corresponding epoxide ring. So this OTS and that oxygen undergo reaction. There is formation of epoxide ring. Look at this next step. Here we use a dimethyl lithium cuprate. Here we use dimethyl lithium cuprate in presence of ether. So this reagent is nucleophilic in nature. Therefore it undergo a reaction with epoxide. That carbon atom is electrophilic in nature. That epoxide ring is somewhat unstable. Therefore it undergo cleavage in presence of dimethyl lithium cuprate reagent in ether solvent. So this dimethyl lithium cuprate react with epoxide, and there is formation of this type of structure. Look at stereochemistry of this Me and newly generated OH group. So in Chiron approach concept, stereochemistry is also a very important concept. So by using suitable reaction condition, by using suitable reagent, we achieve the selective conversion. So here we got this structure. I write this structure again for the sake of convenience, and we will see again further steps. In next step, we use sodium hydride in presence of CS2 methyl iodide and ether. So this reaction condition convert that OH group into corresponding I. So under this reaction condition, that OH group undergo conversion into corresponding iodine compound. Look at this next step. Here this iodine containing intermediate is allowed to react with tributyl-tin hydride, tri-N-butyl-tin hydride. So this reagent act as a reducing agent. So this reagent replaces this iodine. So this is simple reduction reaction. This is simple reduction reaction. This iodine atom is replaced by hydrogen atom by using Bu thrice Sn hydrogen, that is tri-N-butyl tin hydride. It acts as a good reducing agent. It selectively converts that I into corresponding hydrogen. Then we allow this intermediate to react with TSOH, that is para-toluene sulfonic acid, in presence of methanol. So under acidic condition, this ketal, or we can say acetal, undergo deprotection and there is formation of again diol. So in our previous lectures we have learned different kinds of protecting group for the aldehyde or ketone for the diol. So role of protecting group is to achieve the selective conversion in presence of different kinds of functional group. So in this case, that initial diol are protected using aldehyde. There is formation of acetal and that acetal again can be deprotected under acidic condition. So we have this type of intermediate. In next step, this diol is allowed to react with trityl chloride in presence of pyridine. So this trityl chloride is good protecting group for the OH. Here we have two OH group. This is CH2OH and this is simple CHOH. So this CH2OH undergo protection by using trityl chloride in presence of pyridine as a base. Look at next step. Here this alcohol containing that this intermediate with OH is allowed to react with Collins reagent, that is CrO3 CH2Cl2. This is oxidizing agent and this CrO3 cause oxidation of this OH into corresponding carbonyl group. Look at next step. this ketone is allowed to react with Wittig reagent, that is pH3 P positive charge, and that phosphorus atom attached with CH2 minus. So this is example of Wittig reaction. This is also example of halide. So in halide there is presence of positive and negative charge on the adjacent atom. So this reagent undergo reaction with carbonyl group and there is formation of alkene. Look at next step. This alkene is allowed to react with RHCl PPH thrice. So this is Wilkinson catalyst. It undergo or it cause the hydrogenolysis of this alkene using hydrogen and in presence of benzene solvent. So this is Wilkinson catalyst RHCl PPH thrice, that is tris triphenyl phosphine rhodium chloride first. This is name of this Wilkinson catalyst. In next step, this compound is allowed to react with BF3 iterate and also allowed to react with 1,3-propane dithiol. Structure of 1,3-propane dithiol is CH2SH, CH2, here we have SH. So this 1,3-propane dithiol and BF3 iterate react with this intermediate. There is cleavage of this bond and also that OTR group undergo deprotection. Look at this structure. During this particular step, this bond undergo cleavage. There is formation of aldehyde. So here we have hydrogen atom. There is formation of aldehyde, and that aldehyde then react with 1,3-propane dithiol, and there is formation of 1,3-dithiene compound. There is formation of 1,3-dithiene compound. Then we will see the next steps by using this type of intermediate. Look at this reaction condition. Here we use dimethyl dimethoxy methane and tosyl paratoluene sulfonic acid. Then we use N-butyl lithium reagent, and in next step we use ethyl iodide. So there is, by using this type of sequential steps, there is formation of new intermediate. Look at next step. This protected diol can be deprotected using paratoluene sulfonic acid and methanol, and there is formation of this type of diol. So we can write structure of diol in this way. Here we have two methyl groups. In next step, this diol and 1,3-diethane containing compound undergo reaction with HgCl2. So this HgCl2 salt act as a deprotecting reagent for this 1,3-diethane compound. In last step, these oxygen atoms react with this ketone and there is formation of multistratine compound. So this is synthesis of multistratine molecule using D-glucose molecule. Synthesis is somewhat lengthy. It involves number of synthetic steps and each and every step is very crucial. It is selective conversion. So in this particular synthesis we have learned different types of protecting group. So with this I stop my lecture here. In next lecture we will see the new target molecule using the concept of Chiron approach molecule. Thank you.